right now, as you can see the car, if you can listen clearly, it's having a little bit of a bop 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 bop. Why? It's a misfire that's being detected on the dyno. Why? Because it's a closed environment. We can actually hear the firing, the lack of combustion in those cylinders, and the fact that we are not redlining it. We are doing 15 to 2000 RPM, yeah, and 110 kilometers per hour. So that's basically highway running speeds with about 15 to 18% throttle, just keeping those speeds. And yet you can hear there is a slight misfire coming from the engine.